Hello, incredible friends. Today I have this make it quick card, and you can make this card for any occasion. This one is particularly for a birthday card, but I'm change the sentiment up, anything you want. So let's get started. So for today's project, you're going to need just a few supplies. I have my card base, I have my Whisper White layer, I have a piece of Berry Burst cardstock, and then I have 3 pieces cut. They're 1 inch wide, and we're going to adhere those down. And then I have a little bit of the Berry Burst metallic edge ribbon and Berry Burst ink and a stamp from the Happy Birthday Gorgeous stamp set and some glue dots. Let's get started. I'm going to first take the Berry Burst panel and my strips here, and I'm going to go ahead and I just dropped one. Adhere my snail adhesive on the back of one of them. And this is my panel, and all the dimensions will be on my blog. And I'm going to just center this one where I want it. I think that's straight. And I'm going to then put a little snail on the back of that one and place it. And what I'm doing is making sure that there's kind of an even amount of space between this strip and the edge of the cardstock. And then lastly, I'll adhere this last little strip. And same thing, you're just looking, I'm just eyeballing it, but I'm trying to make sure that there's roughly the same distance between these strips as to the edge of the cardstock. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and adhere my Whisper White layer onto my card base. And all of the dimensions and supply list will be on my blog, so you can get all the measurements for each of these pieces there. And then lastly, I'm going to, actually no, before I do that, I'm going to attach this little bit of ribbon towards the bottom of the panel. Well, actually glue dots here, and I'm just going to place them one on each end of my ribbon. So I'm just going to kind of center this where I want it, and then fold it over to the back and press down on my glue dots. Okay, now you can go ahead and add the rest of your snail. And since I've got ribbon here, I'm going to go ahead and put some snail over the ribbon as well. And I use a little bit extra on the back since it since we have that ribbon and it's not a totally flat surface on the back. I've done that. Now, for sake of time, I've already gone ahead and made a little bow here as well, and I'm going to put a glue dot on the back of that. Let's see, I like that. This is the back side of my ribbon. These are the little mini glue dots. And then I'm just going to adhere that to the center. Just like that. And then we're almost done with our card. I'm going to take my stamp. I'm using the It's Your Day from the Happy Birthday Gorgeous. And I'm going to stamp it in Berry Burst. And I'm just going to put that in the center on the bottom. I think I got it crooked. It's a little crooked, but that's okay. And there you go. That's today's Make It Quick card. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the other tutorials I have. And we'll see you next time. Have an incredible day.